Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Haggett Hill. I'm back up at the farm today. It's a beautiful fall day. It's about 48 degrees. Going to do a little bit more mulching today. But before we do that, I have to do some repairs to my mulcher. I had a catastrophic failure the other day when I was mulching. So watch along as we fix this mulcher and then we'll get back to the project. Well, folks, here it is. Here's my major failure. After I got done mulching the other day, I went to grease it and actually had broken out a grease fitting. So we're going to replace this thing and then we'll be back in business. If that's the only damage I did to it, I'm pretty pleased. I've got some extra grease fittings over here in the truck. We'll see if we can get one that fits. By golly, that one looks like the one. I believe it is. How about that? If that's the only damage I do today, that'll be awesome. All right, so my plan for today is we've got an old road out here that when my parents bought the place in the early to mid 70s, that was the main entry into and out of the property. My dad took his bulldozer, built a new entrance in off of a different county road. So that road hadn't been utilized except for when we'd run a tractor or back in the day, 3-wheeler, 4-wheeler side by side out to it. So it's in pretty good shape in certain places, but there's a few places where it's grown up and really brushy, got some cedar trees and briars and other brush in it. So we're going to go clean those out today and make it where my dad can get his side by side in his tractor back down through that again. So when we finish with the road project, I'm going to cut another trail down to our main hollow, which leads down to his old deer stand. Watch along as we work on this today.
On these bigger trees, you really have to take your time and work through it, but it will get the job done. obviously that I've got a big chunk stuck in the mulcher and it won't turn. After running this a few days, I figured out that you can run your mulcher up next to a tree and work it up and down, and it'll actually cause the mulcher head to spin and usually free the obstruction in it. So watch along as I show you how that works. Here's another angle of me removing that obstruction from my mulcher, running it up against the tree and working it up and down. Like I said, usually it'll work on freeing up the obstruction.
Threw a track off. Alright, I got the track put on. Once you do it a time or two, it's pretty easy. It takes about 5 minutes. It's just, you usually don't have the tools out here in the middle of the woods. I had to walk to the house and get the buggy with the tools in it. So here we go. Let's finish this up. Well, all right, that's just all I like to finish up that project. I had a couple little more trees to get cut down, and then I threw a track. Now, I didn't show it, but I actually threw a track earlier, and I fixed it off camera, and then this time I fixed it off camera. Sometime if I ever throw one again, which I probably will, I'll show you how to do that. I haven't had any problems up to this point of throwing a track, but going over these, there's a lot of rocks in the woods, there's a lot of logs that I'm going over, and if you get up on top of a log or a rock and you twist, it'll throw a track on you. It's pretty simple to put on. Like, it's kind of messy because you got to squirt to release the tension with the grease and then fill it back up with grease. So make sure you have plenty of grease on hand. So back up this trail that I just finished, I've got a couple logs that have fell over. You saw them probably as I was working down through there. I got to take the chainsaw and cut them out and push them out of the way with the tractor. And then we'll be done with this project. But thanks for stopping by Haggett Hill and watching as we cleared another trail today. Please like and subscribe and leave me a comment. I like to read each and every one of them. Get out and enjoy this beautiful fall weather. And remember, God bless to you and your family.